I like everything in my salad.
We brought some grad students over here over to North Servery, and we are showing them some different ways to prep meals at home that are budget friendly, health conscious, and also incorporating the time limit that grad students have.
Have those staples, your salt, your pepper, your olive oil, your vinegars and all that sort of stuff, your rice and your beans, and you'll never go hungry.
Before I grocery shop, I usually plan my menu for the week. I spend the weekend cooking, and as I was saying, I freeze my food a lot. So I usually make food in batches, and then if I know that I can't finish it within 2 or 3 days, I freeze them in portions. And so on the day that I want to eat them, I just defrost them overnight, or I just put them in the microwave.
For me, meal prepping was a necessity because just coming home and the idea of making dinner from scratch, or having, even worse, going to the grocery store, coming home and having it already portioned and packaged and made really was changed my lifestyle.
If you can get a secondary freezer, we went and got just a cheap standing freezer, and that has been such a lifesaver. We can put so much stuff in it.
A little plug, they can meet with me in my office at South Servery. The other thing that I would say that is most beneficial for grad students is getting a meal plan, right? Because that is great access for them on campus. There's a variety of different dining halls that they can come to, or serveries at Rice University. All of these things can be talked through with me, and I can definitely assist any grad student on the Rice campus.